we want to show you how easy it is to actually do collection. This is not an extremely difficult thing. Obviously, in the real world, you would be doing things in a lot more controlled and safe manner. But the process itself is fairly simple. You have this vial that contains our secret sauce. Our secret sauce does a couple of things, by the way. First of all, it inactivates the virus, meaning it is not deadly anymore. But the other thing that's very important in what this does is it preserves the RNA of the virus so that we can analyze it in our PCR machines. Now, right now, I recruited a volunteer over here to go and demonstrate how to use this. And how about that? Mark, could you demonstrate how this is used?
Yeah, I'd be happy to. Thank you, Yui. So first thing is you open the cap to the device. Secondly, by taking the provided swab, I open it and with my fingertips, careful not to touch the swab end, I remove the swab, open my mouth, about 5 times at the back of the throat against the tonsils, removing the sample and again putting it into the swab collection tube, breaking the swab, capping the tube, and I'm ready to send.
And this now goes to our lab, and in that lab, as I may have mentioned before, we go through a 2-step process. We go through a purification process, and after that purification process, we go to the PCR process, after which we can definitively and 100% say you have corona or you don't have corona. The way we've designed this entire protocol is we didn't want to be the monopoly for this process. We realize we have a global problem, and this is designed, in fact, so that any lab in the world that has PCR capabilities can actually go and conduct the actual analysis and provide the results. The net of net that we truly believe why we're doing this is that by knowing who is sick, we will get the ability to get people to self-quarantine. We would get the ability to figure out who is safe and who can continue to stay safe. The other thing too is that we can identify people who will not become human bioterror weapons, because that's what they are if they're sick and they're walking around. So again, we really believe that this is a global problem. We've designed this system so that it works not only in our lab, but in all the labs in the world that can do PCR.